Greetings everyone, this is your Vaishnavi. A major snowstorm hit Ontario. January 17th. It brought more than 60 centimeters of snow. After 23 years, we've got a big snowstorm. Falling snow created poor visibility. Vehicles stuck on the roads. Buses, trains can't run. Our province covered with snow blanket. Wind blew 60 kilometers per hour. I just videoed a little bit in my porch. Look at my hats and gloves. A few minutes I got covered with snow. Look at our roofs. Now I am helping my parents to shovel the snow. Every minute, 4 to 5 centimeters of snow falling down. Snow cleaning machines going on roads 2 to 3 hours. So the people stuck with 15 to 25 centimeters of snow. Many people leave their car and walk home. Look at me. Can you see how much snow we're having? The city tow untended vehicle, so the people need to go those places, search for their vehicle, pay for the towing fee, and bring it home. Also, our mayor bring major snowstorm condition. It means the province snow cleaning will continue in a week time. Nobody can park their cars on snow cleaning routes. If they park, they get $200 fine. If they park and leave the vehicle, city will tow the vehicle. This snowstorm made people's lives so hard. After the Christmas vacation, my class went online due to COVID. So they're scheduled to reopen January 17th. Due to this snowstorm, our in-person classes get postponed. There's no places to put the snow. It won't melt until March because we are sitting minus 12 to minus 32. road. I'll meet you in my next video. Until that, adios!